Good day, everyone. Let me discuss with you the concept of love according to Mr. Morgan Scott Peck. First, what is true love? How does it become true love? According to Mr. Morgan Scott Peck, love is the will to extend oneself for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another's spiritual growth. After years of being in a serious relationship, we tend to become dependent with our partner. A dependency that means loving the inability to function without the other person's care. True love is not dependency. True love involves two people who are capable of living independently but choose to live together. Another example is when the two of you have become comfortable with each other, and you begin to notice certain bad habits that cause fights and misunderstandings. In this case, both of you must be committed to each other's growth and to the growth of relationship. You should be open to change for a better and more peaceful relationship. However, how can we attain this commitment to growth if we don't listen? This is where attention comes in. Attention does not only mean listening. It involves giving time, effort, being present, and actively focusing on the other person while setting aside your own preoccupations. The next aspect of love is courage. When we enter a relationship, we take the courage to live with another person even when the future is unknown. We risk rejection, betrayal, painful conversations, or even loss. We do not know what the future brings. It may be full of love or full of pain. We may choose the courage to stay and grow with each other, or the courage to let go for the sake of each individual's growth. The last aspect needed to nurture love is balance. You cannot love without discipline. For example, you cannot love without accepting responsibilities, which is a key element of discipline. We should also balance self-love and love for others. As Scott Peck notes, one cannot be a source of strength for another without nurturing their own strength. How can we truly give love if we don't even love ourselves? In summary, as he said, love is as love does. You cannot love without the act of loving. True love is not a one-way road. It should be an interaction between two people, giving each other what they need to grow. If we only apply this concept of love, misunderstanding, selfishness, indifference, cowardice, and imbalance, the things that ruin relationships, can be avoided, and we can build relationships filled with love.